I bought the unit for the Gibson body, and what you're about to see next, we're going to go through the last couple pieces of equipment, musical equipment, big money, and the coins. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, pirates of all ages, we are back to look at another storage unit. Pick this up real quick. I'm in a little bit of a hurry. I got right here, you see Salt Princess, and you see Uncle Mike. They both, I guess, have dates or something after this, so I have to pick this up quick. I'm going to load it in my trailer. We're going to go back to storage and unbox everything. Going to show you a quick sneak peek real quick of it and tell you why. I'll show you why I spent $900 on this storage unit. One simple reason and one simple reason only. When you're looking at a unit and you want to gamble on something, you have intent. Words, brands are very important. Right there, I saw a Gibson guitar in this storage unit. Not to mention, there's a couple guitar heads which could be very valuable depending on what they are. If they are tubes or if they are electric. There's a touchscreen, full-on, all-in-one Acer computer, Honda something. Really nice golf club showing. Some boxes and speaker cabinets and mystery. We're gonna load all this up real quick, take it back to the storage, and then I'm gonna slowly show you everything that I found in this storage unit. $900 for this?
No.
Not even if you saw a Gibson guitar like that right there?
No, because I don't know where to sell those. How to sell those.
Just so you know, if you're ever at a storage facility and you see a Gibson guitar, go all in for me, all right? All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back at the storage now, and we're going to go through and start looking at this stuff. All I can say is it's going to be exciting. I think this was $900 well spent. Before we get through this stuff, let's do the boxes first. Great. I keep finding tons and tons of these skill saws. I don't know what it is, but this is like the 9th skill saw we found this week. Laws of attraction, I guess. I've been finding tons of hunting jackets. What is this? Mossy oak duck blind. A little bit of hunting gloves. A little bit of that. What else we got here? Another Cabela's hunting jacket. I have no idea what these are worth, but they got, what the heck? Look at that. Little shotgun shell bags, and you put your money in there. I don't know what goes in there. I'm just being facetious, but that's probably what it looks like to me. Ooh. Greatest team ever in existence. I'm gonna give this to Andy. I give all my Niner stuff to Andy. He's a diehard fan, good friend of mine. He gets that. Miles Madrid. What is this? No, we don't need this stuff. A ladder. We got a ladder here. That's a good $8 right there. Acer, got the Harman Kardon. I think I might have to keep this one. This is an all-in-one computer. Hopefully we find the plug. We can check this out, see if it works. This is a few $100s to buy this computer, I can tell you that much. Let's see what the model is. Bluetooth module, wow. Okay, we're looking for guitar parts. That's what we really want. Nice books. Japanese woodblock prints. Japanese woodblock prints. Those would be a nice find, a gang of those. A book on Michelangelo. Wow. One of the best artists in the world. I do a lot of sculptures and I use his technique. Michelangelo likes to find something in the rock. He starts off and then he finds something and then it comes out. That's the same way I do my stone sculptures. Okay. Broken down. Those are kind of cool. Caterpillar. Set those aside. No. What do we have here? Ooh. Some treasures. Ford belt buckle. Some type of neat knife. And that's not really a treasure. Those two are treasures though. Like I just did, because I threw these on the ground to try to get to the bottom there on accident. And what does my eyes see? Pendleton. Pendleton. Machine wash. Those are nice. Very good shape. Right to the internet pile. $8. Here we go. Let's take these heads off real quick. An R580. An R510 TaylorMade. And then the whole set of these Cleveland's 792s. Cleveland 792s. Not sure what those are worth. I love the 7-iron. That's one of my favorite clubs. Lob wedge. I actually love to hit a 2-iron the best. The most awkward club to hit. But 7-iron is my second. On. We got some more books. There's more Pendletons? No. Columbia. Equally as good in my world. Nice. Nice. What else we got here? No. I'll find this sword. There's $8. Ooh. The Holy Quran. United States coins. The Bible. Oh. Oh. Oh, those are heavy. Oh, let's look at this at the end here. I'm gonna set this aside, guys. Quick teaser. Nickels, cents, Lincoln Head cents. Oh. So much stuff to do. That looked like a cool book, kinda. Another Quran. Holy Quran. He likes religion. We'll get one last box. Incense. Seiko, got a couple coins, little Pokemon card collection. Not bad. A couple little things out of that box. Wow, then there's this thing right here. Pacific Hydrostar. That thing is nice. Honda 13 horsepower motor. Honda engine start. Nope, it doesn't start. It's got a gun. It's like a business right there. It had a little bit of like the oil was leaking on the floor in this storage unit. That's a very expensive pump right there, I can tell you that much. This unit here. I'm not sure if this worked, but this could be a few $100s right here. This could legit be a few. I think, I don't know what this goes. I think it went to a cement mixer maybe. No, that's not a cement mixer. It looks expensive. I have no idea what this is for. Attention, it's an Eimer motor. Probably is a very expensive little piece, but it doesn't have the rest of it. I have no idea what to expect on this. An Eimer. Have to look this up. This baby right here was empty. That's sad. The parts to come in right now is this right here. Let's see what I didn't even notice we had that. Kalamazoo, Michigan. Let's see if we can dust it off a little bit. The parts are gutted. We did not find the parts in the storage unit. Pearl inlay. Pearl inlay. This is a Gibson body right here, ladies and gentlemen. This is why I bought this unit for $900. Other people thought I was crazy. Gibsons could be a couple hundred, they could be a couple thousand, they could be priceless. This could be custom made for a certain rock band. I have no idea. I'm gonna rely on you guys to help me on this one. Nice. I am thoroughly excited that I found that Gibson body because I bought the unit for the Gibson body. And what you're about to see next, we're going to go through the last couple pieces of equipment, musical equipment, big money, and the coins that I happen to just find in this unit. First and foremost, this baby right here. Look at this. Right now, before you even get any farther, just comment what you think something like this is worth. A lot of you guys are automatically going to know because you know this type of stuff. This is a nice piece. So let's slide it around here. The bottom's on wheels. This is nice. I speculate this piece right here, just this one piece, $1,500 without the speaker base on the bottom, which is probably $300-400. I don't know what speakers are inside of it. I didn't take it apart, but it's a standard 412 MS enclosure, PV. This is not the original for this piece here, but this piece by itself, because this is original. This isn't a reissue or anything. These can go as much as 2,000 I've seen. Very nice. As well, we have this JCM 800 lead series. MK2 Master Model 50. I believe this well to be at least $1,500. This is a original, not a reissue, original. Once again, another PV 4-speaker box that it goes on. Not original to it, but that should be an easy $3 grand. If I just throw a speaker and speaker, but like, give me $3 grand for all this, that should be an easy set. Now, I don't know what's in here, but it could just be the Quran, but it looked like a nice box and I had to open it. It's the Quran. We will give this away at the flea market like we do all religious books to somebody who advocates that religion is crazy. Lincoln had sense. A book on coins. Okay, that's not a book of coins. And some coins. Let's start here. Lincoln had sense. I don't think these are all necessarily lined up to the year they're supposed to be. So if you see a special one, you're like, it's there, I see it. That doesn't mean that they're necessarily there. Nice. Ooh, dropping pennies. Be nice to find that one that's like 14,000. I'm always hearing everybody talk about. This is like a Coinstar. This is like a future Coinstar video right here, to me. Not bad. Then we have this book. Where's that? I don't see those. That would have been nice. No doubt with all this here, the Gibson guitar, the coins, $900 is going to turn to a minimum of $3,000. Because don't forget all the tools, little couple dollars and this and that. Clothes, we got the clothes, up, Columbia, Pendleton, Cabello, pressure washer. This could actually turn into a possible $4,000 in sales off a $900 investment, because I was a little bit crazy to go in on something of that nature. But that's why I say scared money don't make money. And not to mention, I'm the storage auction pirate.